So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and use Nano Banana, which is the latest model from Google Gemini, and it allows you to basically do a lot of cool image generation within this particular model. So number one, in order to get access to it, you will have to go through and update your particular Gemini application. So update Gemini, and what you'll basically be able to do is utilize this 2.5, basically this 2.5 Flash model. So you can go through and you can go ahead and tap on the model up there, and you can go through and utilize one of the newer models. So by default, I think it's already the default one. Now, what you can do is you can just ask it to basically go through and start utilizing the model. The model's already built in with Nano Banana. So what you can do is you can say, make an image of, something, right? So I can go ahead and make an image of a dog in pixel form, just like this, and I will go ahead and send it off. Now, the Nano Banana model will go ahead and be built in right in, and you can go ahead and utilize that model right within this. There's not like a separate application or anything like that, and this is another really cool thing that you can basically do. So there's a lot of capability within this type of application just from that side. So you can have it generate these images, you can have it do all sorts of kind of stuff like that. And that right there is another really cool ability within Nano Banana that it gives you all that type of capability right there. Now there's also capability like this in Google AI Studio and a lot of other places like that too. So there's a lot of cool things like that across the board, but just use the Gemini option, the Gemini application, and then you'll be able to utilize that model built in right in just like that. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.